Hi everyone, welcome back to Retro Rust. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I've done a video on a Ruster. Quite a few people have asked what's going on. So just give you a quick update. I'm actually in a unit that's a little bit bigger, not a lot, but it's a bit bigger, more expensive a month obviously. Just turn the camera around. Still got some sorting out to do in here. As you can see, it's quite bigger. Obviously it'll only go up to there, the door's open, but just here there's actually enough room, so if I wanted to bring another Capri down it would actually fit, or even any side jobs. That's one of the main reasons why I've actually not done a video for so long, is just turn it back around. Yeah, one of the main reasons I've not done a video for so long is it's not because I've got bored of the project. I've been trying to find panels, and the people that's been cutting the panels off the cars or whatever, wherever you find them up for sale, they ain't been cut off properly and they're still asking a lot of money. Anyway, I've got a friend, he's actually called Jamie as well. He's got a Capri. It's just a rolling shell. I'm supposed to be buying it, but we'll see. Fingers crossed I will. It's decent condition. The stuff I need, like the roof, the boot floor, the floor that goes from the boot floor down to the main floor, outer seals. The rear quarter panels have had arches. Whether I'll use one of them, I don't know yet. We'll see how good the arch has been put on. I can always redo it. But yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff on it that I could use. The front valance off the other car I could sell, headlamp bowls, that sort of stuff. It's got wings on it. One's the original wing, the other's a pattern, but it seems like a pretty decent fit. I might even put some pictures up in this video. It's not definite that I'm having it yet, but if it is, as soon as it's here, I've got to get on with stripping it and cutting it up, because I will end up getting attached and then it'll just be another project. So yeah, let's just turn it around. So that's a quick brief of what's been going on. It's not that I've got bored, it's because I'm struggling to find panels. So the plan today is, you can see this is the main reason I couldn't put it on the rollover in the other unit, because it was way too small. So that rollover jig was made many years ago. My dad actually made that for one of my white laser Capris when I was quite young. It's quite good. It's had, I think this will be the 4th Capri on it, I think, if I remember correctly. The rear part that bolts to the car, I want to alter that, because it's designed so it goes inside the chassis, whereas obviously on this the chassis had it, so I'm going to need to alter it so it bolts to where the bumper iron bolts on the back. Same with the front, just them long strips, they bolt through the front valance and where the bumper iron is, well, where it usually goes. I've obviously got to take the front valance off, take the headlights out and all that, because they're only just sitting there anyway, if I remember correctly. And then by the end of today, when I finish, I want this on the rollover spinning. That'd be quite good. We'll see how we get on. So yeah, just give you a quick look. It ain't nothing like huge, but obviously got a little bit up there so I could put stuff up there. Still got to get rid of the microwave and that. The engine and gearbox is there. Obviously I'm going to be using I've had to bring that down. I've just assembled that. I'm going to be using that to obviously jack the Capri up to put the rollover on. Yeah, boot bonnet doors are just there. That's another thing as well, why I've not been down, because I literally blew the gearbox up on my Golf. So that's actually in bits at the minute. Third gear is actually stripped, so just waiting for bits on that, then I can get that reassembled. I may even be putting an LSD in that, we'll see. But we're here on the Capri today, not the Golf, so I'm going to just stop that there while I sort some other stuff out, and then I'll come back once I'm starting to strip it. Hi, welcome back. I actually forgot to bring a drill with me today, so in order to get around it, for now, I've literally shoved it in where the chassis rails go, and because of the hole in the boot floor, tied the hell out of it. It seems sturdy enough, so once I bring a drill down next time, I can drill and make the plates to actually secure it properly. So I'm just get on with now and getting the front valance, the wings and stuff off, and then we shall start getting it start getting it jacked up to get it on the rolling jig. I'm going to actually be playing music, so I am going to do a music over, else I'll get copyright. Mad how things are. £1,000.
Just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.
Hi, welcome back. As you can see, front's back on the floor. It sort of fell out of the rolling jig, but the back is now on. That's been a right pick to put on because I'm struggling to get the actual legs on the crane underneath the car. So anyway, the back's on. Get the front back on now, and then let's roll it over and see the almighty holes everywhere. One fucking wheel's missing. If it's gotta go, yeah, if it's gotta go, it's gotta go. I need it for my engine's time. This took ages to protect the bits and put in the car. I mean, on video I lifted it up the sofa and obviously that's pretty bad. I've got to do this video because loads of people have asked what's up with it, and then I got rid of it.
What, ask if you got rid of it?
Well, yeah, don't forget I done a video for what? 6 months.
You think you can lift that by yourself?
No.
Why?
Lift it a bit, yeah, but not all the way up.
You gotta see what it's actually like when you turn it over, mate.
I reckon once it's on the rolling jig, you know. Because don't forget the axle ain't bolted on, is it? Not one of these things. So, yeah, that's all probably come fucking flying off.
How are you gonna get that under there with that leg out in the way?
It went there before. I think. Let's not touch the floor. Back ain't coming out, is it? Last one I wanted to put it back to sun now. There is it. I have to keep pushing that. Why is it going in? It went all the way in before. I bet it's because I fucking battered the end of it, try and knock it back on. Nice room in the wall, wouldn't you? Well, fine. Probably not. But just put it over time.
Good, isn't it?
Hey, it was alright all the other time. Don't turn it yet. See that same bit? You think like that? Wait, I'm going to try that. just for now.
Oh, bolts in is there, isn't it?
Well, yeah, that is, yeah. Just for now, just try to stop it slipping out. I bet it's going to make some fucking right rousing racket, you know. Right, she's finally on. Just need a little twirl now.
Well,
I reckon.
will you do the axle off first or what?
I don't know.
Is that wheel, when it's flooring, it's round, it will, wouldn't it?
Probably.
You take wheels off it.
Yeah. Wheels are going to hit.
Take the back wheels off and then just pull from the axle. Or is it fucking to catch it?
Well, the only thing that's going to happen is these things. In theory. What, standard wheels? Yeah, but they're not long wheels anyway. I'm with gear wheels on it. I don't know whether to just quickly undo that brake line and the U-bolts and just less weight on it then, isn't there?
Just shake it off. I thought it was off anyway, wasn't it?
No,
Brake
only the
line,
U-bolt.
fuckers, wasn't it?
What?
Brake line just put them in it.
The rubber ones, yeah. Post some pictures later. Rusty on the Jeep. This is when you find out how rusty it is, and it actually fucking in there. See, I might leave the front suspension on. You know. Just get the adapter off. Yeah, it's it's got shocks as well. Yeah, I might just roll that over. It's still quite a Alright, here it goes.
Put power on the back, no?
Huh?
Yeah, you might do it, try.
Yeah. I remember we had to block it with some wood before.
Put the wheels there.
Holy fucking shit. She's bad. Right, she's took some work to actually get on the rolling jig. She's now on. She's now flipped. There's quite a few holes. Holes that I didn't really know that were there. Right, just flip you round. Obviously, still got the front and rear suspension on it at the moment. Still need to get that off. Right. Start at the front. That's gonna need. Need a bit of repair on that. Right. Obviously, you already know about all these mega holes. And on the floor. Floor's completely added all the way across. The release spring hangers. That floor's had it. Look at it just crumbling away. Obviously got a whole new floor pan for this side. Come to the rear. You smell fuel. There must be a bit of fuel in that. Yeah, like it's leaking out. Better be careful with that. Ain't even got lights in the car. But yeah, all the chassis. I'm gonna turn this off and get light. Alright, welcome back. So that's all been bodged up before. By the look of it. I think it's seam sealer. So that's all rotten. Obviously all the inner arch is all gone. Chassis. It's all gone. Hey, so the tanks were silver back in the day. Look how mint that looks underneath the stuff. Chassis rails all gone again, all puffed up, and obviously it's all gone there. Yeah, it's quite a few more holes than what I thought there would be. You know, even when you got the reinforcement that goes in the middle. Still need to grind a bit of this weld down from repairing all that. Yeah, right, get some pictures. Right, that'll probably do just for a quick update on Ruster. Now New Year's done and dusted, I'm going to be down here quite often and get some work done on this. Like I say, I've got a Capri coming that I'm going to be using for parts. So fingers crossed, by the end of the next year, she'll at least be ready for paint. We'll see. So don't forget, hit the like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.